Hi, what's up there? Yes, me Satimisa, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make group on Telegram. Before you start this video, please visit my website www.voting.blogyahoo.com. So guys, let's jump into this video. So guys, you need to open Telegram. Now click on three lines over here. Now click on new group, choose some member for your group. Now type your group name. Now your group is done. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to put the logo on your group. Okay, click here on your name. Now click here on pencil sign. Now click on set photo or video. Okay guys, choose your photo. Now click here. Okay, you can put description to your video. Okay, click on done. Okay, now you can change your group type by clicking here and click on public group. Then okay, then click on done. Now click here. Okay guys, now you can block some feature of your group. Okay guys, now click here. Okay guys, that's it. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and just press the bell icon, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to hit my website www.voting.blogyahoo.com. Okay, bye bye guys, see you soon in my next video.